Hello everyone. Welcome to the OnePlus Line series launch events. Over the past year, we also grew as a company. We introduced a new strategy and launched more new products than ever before. Bring the OnePlus experience to more users around the world. I want to thank you all for believing in OnePlus. Hasselblad. We are fully committed to our long-term partnership with Hasselblad. We are already working together on enhanced color and sensor calibration. Introducing the OnePlus Line series. In the OnePlus Line series, we bring Hasselblad's legendary expertise and color science to our cameras.
After months of efforts from both Hasselblad and OnePlus R&D teams, we're finally able to bring the Hasselblad camera for mobile to the OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro. This is a camera system that combines the most advanced mobile photography with natural color calibration developed with Hasselblad.
This time around, we didn't want to hide it over in the corner like everybody else does. By moving it to the bottom center of your photos, it gives you a more elegant way to caption the memories that you capture on the Hasselblad camera for mobile. The OnePlus 9 Pro's primary camera is able to bring out amazing color and incredible detail with our custom 48-megapixel Sony IMX789 sensor, exclusive to OnePlus. Have a look. If you know OnePlus, you know that we're obsessed with design. Pete and our industrial designers focus on every design aspect of each OnePlus product. And one way we achieve that is through the most beautiful colors, the most premium materials, and the most elegant finishes. Just look at how stunning the OnePlus 9 Pro is. When you feel this phone in your hand, you'll notice how comfortable it is to hold, even for extended periods of time. Another tradition of OnePlus industrial design. That great feeling comes down to a few factors. An aluminum frame that's only 2.2 millimeters thin. The right weight ratio to make this device really balanced. The OnePlus 9 Pro comes in 3 gorgeous colors, all of which draw inspiration from nature. Morning mist gradually transitions from silver to black on the edges, resembling the fog on a glossy mirror slowly fading away. Pine green has a calm and consistent color at any angle, with a nice matte finish that makes the glass so soft to the touch. And finally, there's stellar black, with a special matte frosted glass that brings back the incredible look and feel of our classic sandstone, but is much smoother and leaves no fingerprints behind. First, we kept the curved glass panel to make the phone look nice and slim from the sides. Then we tightened up the curve on the edge and further optimize the software to reduce mistouches and bleeding colors.
Introducing the OnePlus 9 Pro with Fluid Display 2.0. it's time to take the next giant leap forward.
The key to this is an advanced technology called LTPO, which delivers up to 50% less power consumption than the previous LTPS technology, and our new HyperTouch technology for better response time in gaming. So now let's take a deeper look at the inner workings of the OnePlus 9 Pro, starting with performance.
Yes, we use Qualcomm Snapdragon 888, the best there is of all the dragons in the kingdom. And with it, you will be one step ahead of the curve because it is a 5nm chip. 25% faster in CPU performance compared to its predecessor 865, 35% faster in GPU performance. It comes with a third generation of 5G built-in modem and a next generation of LPDDR5 RAM, such as Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, meaning faster downloads and faster connectivity. You can also go wireless. Apples to apples, our 50 watts wireless charging is way faster than pretty much all other wireless charging out there. Goes empty to 100% in less than 45 minutes, no wires attached. And when you do decide to go wireless with us, we don't want you to give up your precious screen time. So we've modified the internal design of our charger, so now OnePlus 9 Pro can charge wirelessly both vertically and horizontally, meaning go wireless, go fast, but don't compromise on how you watch your Netflix shows when your phone is charging. OnePlus 9 Pro comes packed with some crazy good features. The all-powerful Hasselblad camera for mobile with its revolutionary ultrawide, incredible main camera, and natural color calibration will add true colors to all of your photos. All this indicates just one thing. This is really our best shot. Major breakthroughs from OnePlus 9 Pro, including the all-powerful Hasselblad camera for mobile and 120Hz flat display. For the middle frame, we have chosen to go with a fiberglass reinforced polymer. And what makes that middle frame part on OnePlus 9 so beautiful is the process of metallization. It is a treatment to give it that glossy premium look. On the back, you also have three stunning colors: Winter Mist, Astral Black, and Arctic Sky. Now, they're all different than the colors on OnePlus 9 Pro, yet they all draw inspiration from the same source. Winter Mist, with its glossy glass finish and a reflective gradient texture, is Astral Black reminds me of those bluish, darkish sky. It too has a glossy finish. As for the Arctic Sky, it has a bluish gray color, which is for video, you still get 8K at 30 FPS and DOL HDR for that perfect balance of light and detail. OnePlus 9 comes with the same powerful hardware as the 9 Pro, including CoolPlay, ample 4500 mAh battery, and Warp Charge 65T. It has everything you want. A great 120Hz flat display, beautiful design, amazing performance, charging, even Hasselblad camera for mobile.
The design is minimal, a sleek frame with two side buttons, one of which has the name of your favorite brand, OnePlus. But there's more to it. The OnePlus Watch uses 316L stainless steel for amazing durability. Just to give you an idea, this is the material used in making surgical scalpels. Each watch is polished by hand.
And finally, for the OnePlus 9 series. In North America, the OnePlus 9 series will start at $729. In Europe, it will start at 699 euros. And in India, the OnePlus 9 series starts at 49,999 rupees. The OnePlus 9 series will be available on more channels than ever before, too. Check out OnePlus.com for more information about availability and channels in your area, including pre-orders for select markets.